Alright, so in this video I want to demonstrate a body weight row. Now, I'm going into a little bit more explanation with this because one of my watchers, one of the people watching my video, you asked me how to do this progression to a dip. This is, I mean, not to a dip, but to a pull-up. So if you're not able to do pull-ups yet because of strength and that type of thing, then this is a very good progression move because it builds the same muscle groups pretty much that you'll use in a pull-up or a chin-up. And so when I talk about muscle groups, I'm talking about the rear deltoids, I'm talking about lats, I'm talking about all that middle back stuff back there. This is going to emphasize middle back a little bit more than chin-ups and pull-ups do, but nonetheless it's still going to target those muscles to help you to build up the strength that you need to do a pull-up. Alright, so let's demonstrate. So so I have a dip bar right here that I use to do pull-ups with. Now, ideally what you want to have is, like, if you have access to a gym, then you want to be able to use like a bar that is like waist height. So a bar that comes to about here, okay, and you're going to get underneath it and you're going to pull yourself up to it. Now, you can do that. A lot of times you can get like a Smith machine and lower it to waist height and then get underneath it the same way I'm going to get underneath this bar right here. So anyway, let me demonstrate. Alright, so if you have access to a straight bar, just imagine that you're using a straight bar instead. I'm going to grab this with an overhand grip, like so. Let me back up a little bit. Keep my body totally straight. This is the bottom position. And then pull up. Pull up. Now pull as high as you can. Pull as high as you can to keep your body totally straight. You don't necessarily have to pause. Well, pause for about half a second. But the main thing is keep your body straight and pull up as high as you can. Okay? Alright, so hopefully that's a good demonstration. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe. Appreciate it.